हेलो दिस इज नसीर अहमद महबूब आप सबको वदान तक यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत इन दिस वीडियो सीरीज आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्फ़िगर द TP-Link wireless access
We have two methods for accessing the wireless device. First method is that connecting device power cable and Ethernet cable and then connect with the computer. Come to the control panel, click on network and internet setting, network and sharing center, change adapter setting, click on detail. My device receive IP address 101 with this default gateway. It's a wireless access point IP address. So we are copying this IP address and opening the browser, enter this IP address and click enter. The second method for accessing wireless access point configuration page is wireless device is generating wireless SSID by the name of TP-Link 5826, its model, connecting. Take its password from the back of TP-Link device and just enter it here. After you connect that device, the same as previous method, you come to here. After you enter the IP address, you will access the device configuration page. For proceeding this configuration, we have to enter a strong password. In this access point, we have four modes. The first mode of this device is working as an access point. It means connecting all clients or wireless node with the wired network. The second mode of this device is working as a range extender mode, or also called repeater. If we have a wireless access point in the first floor and we are sitting in a third floor, so we are receiving a very weak signal. So we can use this device in the middle to regenerate the signal from wireless access point to us. The third mode of this device is client mode. In this mode, the access point is working as a wireless adapter. The wired device connect through cable with this access point and through the access point connecting with the wireless network. In the last mode of this device is multi-SSID mode. In this mode, the access point create multiple wireless network to provide different security type and VLAN groups. We will configure them one by one in the next video series. Now we would like to go with the access point configuration mode. I am selecting Kabul time zone, click next. If you check the smart connect option, this device will work smartly. If the client is 5 GHz support, it will connect them automatically with a 5 GHz. If the device is supporting 2.4 GHz, so it will connect them automatically with the 2.4 GHz. But we would like to configure them separately. I have created an SSID. And here you can see that the SSID is created for the 5 GHz. So make sure that you have entered a quite strong password consist of like alpha, numbers and symbols. Hide SSID is used when we are searching for SSID, so it will not showing in the list. As you can come here and click on the SSID list, you will not see the SSID in this list. So in that case, you add them manually and click next. This section is used for when we are connecting our device, saving this as a picture. You can see if I save this, we can print it on wall and our guest or our staff can use to connect with our network. Also, we can hide the password right from here and it will only print this barcode and the mobile device can use this barcode to connect with our devices. Click on finish. Now the device has been configured successfully, and here as I don't connect the internet link with the Ethernet port of wireless access point, so it's showing here that we don't have internet access. In here you can see that we have configured both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band system. In the following you can see that this IP address is the wireless access point IP address, subnet mask as well as its MAC address. In the LAN we can configure this access point to receive dynamic address from the DHCP server, or we would like to configure a static IP address for this as well. After we configure the static address, so we need to enter here the default gateway address. Click on save. access point will start distributing IP address. So for this concept, I will stop this DHCP server to produce or regenerate IP for the net. Also, we have IP reservation. If we are reserving some IP address for a printer server right here, we can add this IP address. We should add its MAC address and then its IP address. Just click save. Also here you can see the DHCP client list. The distributed IP address are showing right here. In the access control section, we have this option for blacklisting or stopping access for some nodes. Add, and here you will see the list of all connected devices from here. So just you can check it and just add that device. So that device will not have internet access through this access point.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for supporting me to provide more technical and advanced video in the future.